Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change device model for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by open HONOR AI Space application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see them at the device list. Tap on it and then click at the three dots at the right top. Now go to device settings and then to device information. And right here at the third line we have device model. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.